So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Time. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows Time. Here it is. You're going to double click on this. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you just want to copy and paste the commands which will be down below in the description. So for the first one, we're going to highlight it, do Ctrl-C to copy it, come to CMD and then do Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on enter. And now for the next one, we just want to copy this, come to CMD and then do Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on enter. Next one, copy this, Ctrl-V to paste it, click on enter. We've got two more. Ctrl-C to copy it, come to CMD, Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on enter. And now for the last one, we're just going to copy this, highlight it, Ctrl-C to copy it, come to CMD, and then Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on enter. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.